In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code dependency error on Windows. This guide will walk you through several crucial steps to ensure that your Node.js and NPM setup is correct and that your project dependencies are aligned with the requirements. Begin by opening the Windows terminal. You can do this by searching for Windows Terminal in the Start menu. Once the terminal's open, check your current Node.js version by typing the command node-v and pressing Enter. Next, verify your NPM version by entering npm-v and hitting Enter again. As of 2026, Claude Code requires Node.js version 20 or higher and NPM version 9 or higher. If either of these versions is outdated, you will need to uninstall the existing Node.js version and download the latest version from the official Node.js website. After verifying your Node.js and NPM versions, the next step is to clear the NPM cache. This can help resolve any leftover cache issues that might lead to dependency errors. In the same Windows terminal, type npm cache clean -force and press Enter. This command forces npm to clear its cache, which can help eliminate potential conflicts during package installations. Next, you will need to ensure that you have the correct permissions to install packages. To do this, run the Windows terminal as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the Windows terminal icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Once you have elevated permissions, reinstall the Claude CLI globally by entering npm install -g Claude Code chords true. Alternatively, if you prefer to install it locally without administrator rights, you can use the command npm install Claude Code k-prefix %us-car-prial %npm followed by setsperf %us-car-prial %npm %path. After executing either command, close and reopen the terminal to apply the changes. If you are using Claude Code within a Node.js project, the next step involves reinstalling the Node modules. Navigate to your project folder by typing zc your project folder and pressing Enter. To clean up older broken dependencies, execute the command on-r node_modules package -lock.json. This command removes both the node_modules directory and the package -lock. After that, run pm install to reinstall all dependencies cleanly, ensuring that any issues with previous installations are resolved. Following the reinstallation of your Node modules, it is essential to check that your project dependencies are compatible with the Claude Code requirements. You can do this by entering the command npm info Claude Code peer dependencies in the terminal. This command will display the required versions of any peer dependencies of any of your project dependencies. Do not match these versions, update them by using the command npm install m-package.required version. This ensures that your project uses the correct package versions. As an optional step, if you have multiple versions of Node.js installed, consider using Node Version Manager, or NVM, to manage your Node.js versions effectively. To install the required version, type nevm install 20 and press Enter. After installation, switch to this version by executing use 20. Following this, you may need to reinstall the Claude Code CLI or any other packages. Finally, to test if everything is working correctly, run the command Claude, write a Python function to calculate factorial of n to see if Claude Code is functioning as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.